I have a scenario right now. You are a project manager and you are facing a problem. A high risk project is experiencing concerns about a potential schedule delay that could result in the go live date being moved. What should the project manager do next? Is the project manager should capture the risk or consult the risk register and monitor it to prevent it from becoming an issue by taking the proper response action. Submit a change request to change control board, requesting funding to onboard additional resources and accelerate project delivery. Ensure the committed timeline are met because delivering across to the schedule is primary objective. Request the sponsor initiate a supporting project to help the current project achieve its original timeline. Based on this scenario, uh, there is a statement highlighted here that potential schedule delay. That is the one part. And the second part is that it should affect the go live date. So we have to focus on these two things and answer from here. So as per our expectation, uh, J is always a risk register. We are always focusing to capture our risk because as per PMI mindset, when something might happen, that is a risk that is uncertain. Document the risk, assess it, and then take action. Escalate or request change only if needed after analysis. Use risk management process first. So, according to this statement, um, we can identify the risk first. There is a schedule delay, and we can capture the risk in the risk register. We can analyze its probability and impact. We can find out what is the risk response strategy and who is the responsible person, who is the owner of that risk. So it can be the answer, and it is the closest to our statement of the question that is asked. Okay. Raise a change request to the change control board. Before raising a request to change control board, we should consider the risk register to check the ownership. And it's too premature. The risk has not been analyzed or assessed yet, and asking for the fund without knowing the actual impact may lead to overreaction. So the third option is ensure that the project meet the committed timeline as it is the core objective and purpose of the project. So a project manager does not ensure timeline that are met with a high risk threaten the schedule, right? And J is the fourth option that asks the sponsor to start a new project to support the existing project and help it. So that's not our recommended approach. That so the most appropriate approach is option number one that we should capture the risk, register and monitoring to prevent it from becoming an issue.